Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are safe and secure. Dear students, welcome to Uksha High School online class. Today I am going to teach you on English for today. So, dear students, open at page 34 of your EFT. Here in your book, there is a picture. Look at the picture sometime and talk about it. Okay, dear students, after looking at the picture and talking about it, you have to answer the following question. Okay, dear students, you have looked at the picture. Now let us talk about the picture. Okay, dear students, what do you see in the picture? In the picture, you see a man hands holding a hammer in his hand. On the background of the blood, below the hands, Mayday is inscribed. Okay, dear students, can you relate any historical event to this picture? Yes, all of you can relate that Mayday is observed to establish an 8-hour work day with the sacrifices and struggle of the working people. Okay, dear students, can you tell me what happened on this day? Yes, on this day, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike, demanding 8-hour work day. Okay, dear students, can you guess what is the topic of our today's lesson? Yes, our topic is Mayday. Okay, dear students, now read the text carefully, and after reading the text, you have to do a task. What is the task? The task is to identify the problematic word in the text. Okay, dear students, now let's the let's read the text carefully. Okay, dear students, May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1 all over the world. Today, to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It is a public holiday almost all the countries of the world. Dear students, you know now May Day is observed all over the world and it is a public holiday. Okay, dear students, since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the USA, the worker in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. Dear students, you know, Industrial Revolution is the period, especially in the 18th and 19th century in Europe, when machines were invented. and first factories were established. Dear students, on May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the worker at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour workday. Dear students, you know half of the workers of the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company continued a strike demanding an 8-hour work day. Okay, dear students, 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company and about 6,000 workers joined it. A rally was held on behalf of the worker and 6,000 workers joined the rally. Dear students, the rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the worker to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give into their bosses. They inspired the working class of people to continue the rally, not to give in to their bosses. Okay, dear students, at one point of the rally, some strike breaker started leaving the meeting place. The striker went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed. Instantly, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many others were injured. Dear students, you know, one worker was killed and 5 or 6 workers were seriously wounded and many others were injured. Okay, dear students, the events of May 1, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to do exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Dear students, you know May 1, 1886 remind us that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain their rights. Dear students, you have read the text carefully. And I know, of course, there are some difficult words. What are the words? Already I have uttered one. Observe. Look at the board. Okay, dear students, can you guess the meaning of the? Yes, you know, observe means celebrate. Okay, dear students, another word is struggle. Let me write the word. can you guess the meaning of the word struggle? It is a new word. So first of all, I am telling you a sentence, then you have to guess the meaning of the word struggle. My sentence is, I have a struggle in my life. Now can you guess the meaning? Yes, struggle means fight. Okay, dear students, the next word is injured. Can you guess the meaning of the word? Yes, injured means wounded. Okay, dear students, the next word is seriously. Can you guess the meaning of the word seriously? Yes, seriously means dangerously. Okay, dear students, the last word is demand. Let me write the word demand. Can you guess the meaning of the word? Yes, it is a new word. So I am telling you a sentence, then you have to guess the meaning. I demand a t-shirt. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, demand means want. Okay, dear students, now we are at the end of the class. So I will give you a homework. So dear students, now I will give you a homework and you will copy it. Dear students, you have observed many historical days in your life. Now write a paragraph on May Day. Okay, dear students, let me write the homework. Okay, dear students,